Do you want to experience the art of coffee brewing like a professional barista? This Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker might just be the tool that takes your morning ritual to the next level. If you're a coffee aficionado who craves richer, bolder flavors and enjoys the hands-on process of crafting the perfect cup, this pour-over coffee maker promises to deliver exceptional results every time. Designed with precision and crafted for the modern coffee lover, the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is more than just a brewer. It's an experience. Let's dive into why this pour-over system stands out and how it can revolutionize your daily coffee routine. The power of pour-over brewing. Unlock the full potential of your coffee beans. Pour-over coffee brewing has long been favored by coffee enthusiasts for its ability to extract the full flavor profile of coffee beans. Unlike traditional drip methods, pour-over brewing gives you control over the water flow and extraction time, resulting in a cup of coffee that is rich, aromatic, and full of depth. With the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker, you can take full advantage of the pour-over process. The stainless steel micro-mesh funnel strainer ensures no flavor is lost, unlike paper filters that tend to absorb essential oils and aromas from the beans. By using a reusable filter, you're not only enhancing the taste, but also reducing waste and helping the environment. Say goodbye to single-use paper filters that strip your coffee of its essence, and embrace the bold flavors that the Bean Envy brewer delivers with each pour. What makes the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker stand out? 1. Premium Borosilicate glass carafe. The Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is made from thick, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, which is known for its durability and resistance to thermal shock. This ensures that your carafe will last, even with daily use. Unlike other materials, borosilicate glass doesn't absorb odors or chemical residues, ensuring that each cup of coffee tastes fresh and pure, without any lingering flavors from previous brews. 2. Stainless steel paperless filter. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its stainless steel micro-mesh filter. Unlike paper filters, which trap essential oils and fine coffee particles, this laser-cut mesh allows for a fuller extraction, letting the true character of your coffee shine through. The result? A cup of coffee with more body, complexity, and richness. Plus, since the filter is reusable, it's a sustainable choice that reduces waste and saves money in the long run. 3. Custom silicone sleeve. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker's design. The carafe comes equipped with a patent-pending silicone sleeve at the bottom, which not only provides a secure grip, but also protects surfaces from heat and moisture. Whether you're brewing at home, at the office, or on the go, the silicone sleeve minimizes the risk of accidents like slipping or cracking. It's these thoughtful touches that make the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker a practical and reliable choice. 4. 5-cup capacity. With a 5-cup capacity, the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is perfect for solo brews or small gatherings. Whether you want to enjoy a quiet cup by yourself or impress your guests with your brewing skills, this coffee maker has you covered. The sleek design and elegant shape also make it a conversation starter, adding style to any kitchen or coffee station. With the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker, you're in control of every aspect of the brewing process, allowing you to craft the perfect cup of coffee every time. Whether you prefer a light, fruity brew or a deep, bold roast, this pour-over system lets you unlock the full potential of your coffee beans. Why should you choose the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker? The Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is designed for coffee lovers who appreciate the art of brewing and the rich, bold flavors that come with pour-over coffee. With its premium materials, easy-to-use design, and eco-friendly paperless filter, this coffee maker stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their coffee experience. For those who value sustainability, the reusable stainless steel filter is a game-changer. Not only does it enhance the flavor of your coffee, but it also eliminates the need for single-use filters, reducing waste and saving money over time. The borosilicate glass carafe ensures that each cup tastes as fresh as the last, while the custom silicone sleeve adds both style and practicality. Final thoughts. Is it worth the investment? If you're serious about your coffee and want to enjoy the full range of flavors that pour-over brewing has to offer, the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is a must-have. Its sleek design, durable construction, and superior performance make it an excellent addition to any coffee lover's arsenal. Whether you're brewing for yourself or entertaining guests, this coffee maker will impress with every cup. So, if you're ready to take your coffee brewing to the next level, the Bean Envy pour-over coffee maker is the perfect tool to get started. Don't miss out on this premium pour-over experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.